بعد إن خير الحديث كتاب الله وخير الهدي صلى الله عليه وسلم وشر الأمور محدثاتها وكل محدثة بدعة وكل بدعة ضلالة وكل ضلالة في النار. أما بعد أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أقيموا الصلاة والزكاة واركعوا مع الراكعين. And also said أقيموا الصلاة لذكري. And said Muhammad صلى الله عليه وسلم الصلاة الدين. And said also الصلاة نعمة المؤمن. And said الصلاة أعين. There is commanders of this annual speech competition and my other teachers. Dear audience, my topic is annual contest. Salah namaz. Salah is second pillar of Islam. The Islamic faith is based of the belief that individual have a direct relation to God. The word is Muslim are visual and color Makkah. Islam city to offer five daily prayers. Dawn, noon, mid afternoon, sunset after, night evening, fajr. Salah compulsory of prayer. Yes, said Allah. أقيموا الصلاة والزكاة واركعوا مع الراكعين. Salah is one topic Islamic religion is a special worship that distinguishes from non-Muslims. من ترك الصلاة عمدا فقد كفر. Salah is a manifestation of the Islamic religion and a special worship that distinguishes from non-Muslims. من ترك الصلاة عمدا فقد كفر. And said also الصلاة الدين. Salah is pillar of Islam that perform five times every day. The Salah from the Arabic word originally means connection and refer to prayer. And Allah is it max connection. Is it max connection and refer to prayer. Last prayer to Allah that He ability to perform Salah pillar of Islam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.